Welcome back and thank you so much for 1k subscribers on YouTube and happy new year to you all as well. So today we are going to discuss about a document object model. So document object model is a programming interface and representation of structured documents such as HTML and XML documents. It provides a way for programs and script to dynamically access, manipulate and update the content, structure and style of the documents. So key concept of DOM include firstly we have document object. So document object, the top level object in the DOM. So basically the top level object in the DOM hierarchy. So whatever we have object in the DOM, document would be the topest one. Hierarchy, entire document. Other we have nodes. So nodes, everything in a document is a node. Everything in a document is a node, and the DOM represent these nodes as a object. Okay, so how many types we have nodes? We have three types of node mainly. Firstly we have element nodes. Second we have text nodes, and third we have attribute node. So if you are curious where we can see all these nodes, so you can see all these nodes inside document. So if you see the document and dot get element, let me explain here. Okay, let me save this here and scroll little bit here. Already we have written some index.html. So here we have written h2 tag with some class and some text element here. So if I'll explain here, so h2 here is the element nodes, and first heading here is the text node, and attribute here is the class equal to example is the attribute node. So let's access firstly here and see the how we can access document dot get element by class name, because this is our class. So this class name you can access. Let's take in a result, and this result console.log over the terminal. So if I'll console.result is, so we can see the document object model here. Let me access the first element because we have access all the, this is the HTML collections, we have 3. Let me access only h2 here. Okay, so if I'll see, we can get here. So here result.0, if I'll say that here, this is our first element node. So if I'll say here element node, we can see that here we get a number 1, and same if I'll say for other a text node, they have text node as well, we'll get 3, and other if I'll represent here attribute node, we can get here attribute node here. So basically 1 2 3 element node take a number 1 here, and text node take a 3, and attribute node is 2. So basically they have numbers on the document. So all this stuff here, what I am saying here, element nodes represent the HTML element, represent HTML, or if we have XML document, then also XML elements in the document, in the doc. And text node contain the text, content content. Text content means if I'll say here what is the text content, if I'll print here, so text content we can get. So this is the first heading, is the text content, like first heading. first heading. And what is the attribute here? Represent attributes of element. You can console this as well here. Let me print here as well. So if I'll console dot log result of 0 dot attribute text, so you can see the attributes here as well. You see, node map we have class, this is the attributes here we have. So attributes you can see here. If I'll see the other attribute nodes we have, and numbering is the 2 as well. Attribute already we have shown that. So these are the important stuff. Other important stuff, we have hierarchy and tree structures, like parent, child, sibling nodes they have. And main important part, we have traversal in the DOM. How we can do the traversal? Like normally your traversal, if you do in your DSC course, like DFS and BFS entry part. So similar here we have options, but they have given methods and properties to get a traversal. Firstly, we have get element by ID, and other we have get elements by class name. Other we have get element by get elements by tag name. So all these methods and properties you can access over the DOM as well. Like here you see, like get element by class name access to get all the written HTML collection of the elements in the object on which the method was invoked. So basically, in a details, I'm going to discuss in upcoming video how you can implement your own document.getElement by class name. So for today, that's it. Thank you so much.